It got pulled over. Oh my god. Let me see.
Basically.
My ice cream's gonna melt.
This is all your fault.
Like, lead with one on your DMV.
On your damn ice cream.
A German person.
The funny thing is, I actually have the other plate. I'm pretty sure in the back.
I hope he hasn't been held up long. I don't want my ice cream to melt.
Pretty sure the plate is literally in the trunk, but I wouldn't go fish for it because I got a lot of fireworks in there right now.
Oh my god, are they gonna arrest him for the fireworks?
Yes.
You think I should have said I do OnlyFans?
Winner.
Is this
Unless,
the kick truck?
like, Texas has...
We could make the most viral clip by driving off right now.
Maybe just a speeding ticket or something.
Running home.
Does Texas have
And just
fireworks laws that are different? Like, can you have them all year round?
I think so.
Could you imagine how hard it would hit?
Yeah, it's not like that in
If it
Missouri.
was a police chief?
Well, it's a New Year's Eve. You don't do fireworks on New Year's Eve?
No, just on the
It's a
4th.
lot of eyeballs for the website.
Oh, just on the 4th.
Yeah. There are firework tents all over during the 4th of July, but not during New Year's.
I don't know.
No, we
I think
do it today instead. This at midnight.
after that, you know.
Yeah, it's big business in July, for sure. And like they do it, they set up the tents like the end of
Got me in
May.
trouble again. This is y'all's
They
fault.
start.
I never would have fucking left the house. This is on you guys.
But you can have guns. I don't see why you cannot have fireworks.
Because fireworks are a fire hazard. Guns aren't.
Guns are not a fire hazard.
Fireworks just stray the fuck away and go God knows where and could start a fucking fire. Bullets
Nah, tickets are fine.
are not like flammable.
That's the nice
They're
thing
just-
about being rich is the ticket is
Are
just like
dangerous.
okay, you know. Before I got my radar detector, there were times when I was like, I got pulled over for speeding, and I was just like,
So, is it
in
safe
my
to
mind
have
thinking,
fireworks?
"Officer, can you just write the fucking ticket quicker, please?"
I don't know. I can't get a straight
Like
answer.
2 tickets, just be quick.
Yes, you can transport them. I don't know if popping them off
Okay.
is legal every
Okay.
time of year, you know?
Well, it's just
Yeah.
transporting them.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't use them yet, not as bad. But if you're caught,
By the way,
you
this is all your fault,
The
and
ticket
your
is
ice cream.
He was already out. I didn't send him to go get ice cream.
You sent them on the way of the
trying to
police.
kill two birds with one stone, Drugo.
Hello, everybody.
What do you mean?
If
It's
my
exactly
I
what I
cannot
said.
believe that you don't have ice cream at
friend is
home.
having a cold.
She does, but she's not the ice cream that she likes.
I don't have this ice cream.
Oh, you need a particular ice cream.
I
Yeah.
do. I
Princess
do.
Princess needs her cookies.
How you?
Yeah,
How
yeah,
could you
That's
do
right,
it?
yeah, yeah.
What you say, Brian?
Alright, thank you,
What
sir.
a picky bitch.
See, I told you we get swatted a lot. Alright, guys, when we get home,
Or was it Cookie Tuesday?
I didn't even hear
The
what he
second
said
thing we
because
do-
y'all were yapping. Let me go
the second
back.
thing we do is we're gonna take our friend of the police stick. Nothing suspicious, just a lot of fireworks. Nah, tickets are fine. That's the nice thing about being rich is the ticket is just like, okay, you know. Before I got my radar detector, there were times when I was like, I got pulled over for speeding. I was just like, in my mind thinking, officer, can you just write the fucking ticket, please? Like 2 tickets, just be quick. My time. No, I have both. The kick is the Texas plate. The Montana plate is the, I guess, the primary plate now. Hello, everybody. If my friend was on duty right now, I just have him cold.
Check it out though. Okay, cool. Come back to it. I thought you looked familiar. I've been out to your place for a couple.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
What do you say, Brian?
All right, thank you, sir.
He's been out to our place a couple of all the swattings. Okay.
What did he do?
He said
We win.
the cop said he's been to our place a few
Dude, I'm gonna
times
show you all
for
something
swattings.
special after I
Oh,
get the
okay.
ice cream, okay? I'm gonna show you something special. If I remember where it is. Fuck. I better remember.
I didn't know you could stream the police.
If I could be someone else. Ba-da-da-da-da. Oh, that's my credit card. Cops are pretty cool. Where the fuck did I put my wallet? Huh? Did I really put it in my bag? I don't feel like I did. Well, that's fucking weird. Oh shit. I dropped it in between the seats. Fuck me.
Bring my ice cream before you try to fail to fish this wallet out for like 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
I'm needy.
Okay. Now I will show you all something.
I know.
Veruca Salt.
You know, you have a pair of legs and a car too, huh?
I don't know how to use them right now. My abs hurt.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Oh, really?
You lazy motherfucker.
Right now.
Maybe you should shut the fuck up,
Bro,
Hugo. This is
fucking
my
bro, bro.
Discord channel.
I can't.
Ready to bail me out?
Why do they pull you over?
Because I had a lot of cocaine according to my TTS. Some motherfucker donated $5 and said, in Ice Poseidon's voice, "Quick, Nick, hide the cocaine."
Oh my god. Where's my ice
Jesus.
cream? Did you get the ice cream?
What is my...
Oh. I didn't see him. Put it in there. Now I just need a spoon.
What the fuck are we doing?
Happy now?
It's a stream within a stream.
Yeah. have those.
Okay.
I actually had done, and that helped me sleep up here, even though the whole other part of the house was.
You happy now?
Trying to keep the
Yes.
snow out. It would snow down
Very
here
happy.
sometimes. But I was able to.
You would have sent
at
your
least be up
husband
here
to
and wear it
jail
know
to
the
get an
weather.
ice
Of
cream.
course, at night it's a place that just chill, and there's a little window that opens, which is very helpful to regulate the temperature. Once you have a fire going, heat rises, and depending on what it's doing outside, it can like adjust things quickly.
I just wish he would tell me before he does them. I'm not expecting it.
Get a fire extinguisher.
Ugh.
They are slowly getting bigger and
Bro, he
bigger and
almost had
bigger.
me. I was getting close to go check it out, and then the real explosions happened. That was pretty good. That was pretty long. I thought that was pretty good bang for the buck. It's like a, what, $17, $17.99 burger? Lasts like 35, 40 seconds. I like that. That's good. Good, clean fun. Very good, clean fun. All right, next.
Next.
I have to watch this so in case he dies, that's my alibi. Wasn't me, I was inside the whole time.
Well, you have easy stream, so.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having so much fun. I just can't hide it.
I feel like he would get more views though if instead he just took the
one lasts so long. That's a fantastic bang for buck.
One and done in the night.
Dude, that was fucking crazy. Best $15 I've ever spent. I need to take a picture. That's a good one. That's a good shit, dude. That's good shit. That was fun, wasn't it? Was that fun?
She looks so annoyed because this man doesn't clean up his fucking fireworks shit. Every day the driveway is just more dirty, and then I have to move all the shit in order to back out my car.
We've arrived. We're here, motherfucker. Alright, guys. Maybe I'm the Tony Stark of CX.
I can't drive over the fire pit. I have to move. He doesn't move it when he's done. Holy fuck! That sounded like it landed on my fucking roof. Is my car okay? Jesus.
It's getting worse and worse and
Oh, that's
worse.
what's happening. It's going sideways at my fucking door. Thanks.
Some fireworks into us.
I'm glad the dogs are inside. Imagine if Trumps was
Yo.
standing there.
That's our neighbors firing back at us.
Oh, shut up.
Call 911. Lord.
There's no way. And then there's another one right here. You see?
Yeah, I'm putting fucking sideways or something.
Yeah, it fell off. I think.
Because when that started going, I was like, what the fuck? Way too much. See? There's one right here.
I heard it hitting my fucking building, bro.
That's crazy. Oh, fuck me. Holy shit, man.
Are you serious, bro? Oh my god.
What the fuck? Bro, be careful. I got arrows too.
Alright, you're banned. I'm cutting you off. It was you. I saw the fireworks.
That's crazy.
No, the fireworks were shooting outside.
That wasn't me. No, it wasn't. No, I mean, from you think it came from this corner and that corner too?
Shot at my building. I heard it hit my building.
There was one right here and one right there.
Coming from here. You're done. You're done. You look like you almost lit the yard on fire. You're done.
Dude, there was one that was right here and right there.
Yeah, because I was watching you stream. It fell. It fucked up. It went sideways.
I know. I was watching my stream too. One of the two was not that.
It ricocheted. I heard it ricochet.
It ricocheted the diagonal across the house, like the whole lot, the acre.
Ricocheted in here somewhere. Because I heard it.
There was one here, but that could have been a misfire. The other one in that other corner could not have been.
I saw it go that way too. It like fucked up multiple times.
Bro,
I'll go different directions. But you're done.
You're
No
wrong.
more. No more.
You are wrong. That one was someone else.
What do you mean someone else? You have fucking solid walls around the whole perimeter.
It didn't go through the wall
Right, so how did the ground get lit on fire?
because they blow up. Well, okay. From in here, how did the ground get on fire then?
It was one of yours.
It was not.
Okay, look at the security camera.
He's living in
You look at the
denial.
security cameras. You're the one who doesn't believe it. That circus is still smoking.
Was there anyone in front of our
Look
our
at that.
house?
This is not the one we just
I
fired.
don't think so. But sure, let's check.
That ain't the one we just fired. No, that's the circus one.
No,
That's
no
the
one
second
was
to last
there.
one.
It was just him.
So guilty. Guilty as fuck.
Anonymous just tipped $5. Firework might have fell over Nick.
But how did it go both opposite directions? Because one was in that corner up here, and the other one was, you see, the tree would be blocking. The other one was right here where the walnut is.
It's just him. No one else was in front of the house. No one's throwing anything over.
That's not a tire. That's the water filter. It runs at night because it makes the noise. It's the water filter softener.
Oops. No, go back.
Oh, the important thing is my cigar. And where did it go? Where'd my cigar go? Oh, here it is. I mean, how many shots was it supposed to be? See, that's... Oh, see, I can't see it. It's still smoking.
No, that was the sparkly one. Let me see the one of them.
That clown one's crazy, dude.
It was the Canon one.
That clown one's crazy. That clown one was the best bang for buck I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's what I
Luckily,
meant.
we bought a second one.
Yep.
We used one.
Yeah, I see it go in all directions.
Yeah, because he fell off.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's everybody for himself. Run!
I watched it go in all directions on the security camera, sir.
I wish we just had a strobe. I wish we just had a strobe. Cold. Show me. Come here, show me.
Let me download it. Yeah, that's dangerous. It went to the porch too. Make sure nothing's on the fire in the patio. All the
What
decorations. The patio where the decorations are.
It went in there?
Yeah, it looks like it went on the clip.
Here, show me.
Well, can you go look first while it's downloading?
What port?
Just in case, because I'm trying to download it.
It went in there?
Yeah, it looks like it went on the clip.
Here, show me.
Well, I was downloading it. I can't if I'm downloading it. My God.
You should have just showed me.
Yeah, it literally went into the patio.
See, the filter just turned off. In here? I don't think so.
What the fuck is on the fucking...
It knocked Santa's head off.
What is on the fucking... I see like a globe
Could
by
you
the
imagine if
grill.
Santa's head was just burning. Could you imagine if his chrome dome was just burning? That's the Santa Claus villain arc. Pretty interesting. This dumb thing catching fire. What's up? The what? Its head's on fire. It's fine though. It's just his head's on fire. Listen, this guy wasn't doing too well anyways. Look at his fucking legs are like splayed the wrong way.
Anyway, this is what happened. It goes that way, then it goes that way, and it goes in here. You fucking lighting shit on fire, bro.
Shit.
That was
Play it
all
again?
you.
That's a good clip. Send me that clip. That's AI.
You're banned. No more. No more.
Send me that clip. My clippers are gonna want that one.
Lol.
My clippers are gonna want that one.
Don't try to gaslight me like it's a neighbor.
Alright, one more.
No, no more.
One more.
No,
I promised them one more.
no, you cannot possibly top that one in a safe manner.
That's
No.
true.
You're done.
Yeah, I don't think I can top that one tonight.
No more.
Where'd my cigar go again? Where'd I put my cigar? How mad do you think she'd be? She's probably watching my stream. Damn it, I wanted to see what happens after Plan B. You know? What happens after Plan B? You can't just stop. That was crazy. Someone remind me tomorrow to give them the security camera clip. That's fucking crazy. That was good. They sold me a defective firework.
You see, we are all about
Look
the
how
fights
many they are.
in this bitch, okay?
It's gonna be Fort Alamo.
We're all about. This is about sending a message. Okay? It's about sending a message.
I'm gonna send a message by turning the internet off. He fucking
This is
keeps
what we
at it.
call civil disobedience.
Don't do it. Your internet is so shitty, we'll probably go off anyway. So.
Stop! Don't do this civil disobedience bullshit.
Lol.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Come on, Nick. Come on. You can do it.
Yes, I will. Fuck that. You don't control me.
May all your bacon burn.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
Shit.
Well, this seems fine.
Oh shit. That's pretty cool, dude. They all are a little different.
If you can keep them to that, that's fine. If that's
Yeah.
the radius, that's fine.
Tiananmen Square. I got enough tanks to pull off Tiananmen Square.
It's the heavy artillery that's it's prohibited.
Civil disobedience.
Okay, I'm gonna go buy more horses then. I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I would do what I want too. Fuck.
Let the man have his fun.
Well, at least they won't burn my house down.
That was pretty fun. I think I farmed my content for tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all were here. 2,000 strong. Mommy, see, this has been exciting.
If his fun doesn't fucking start more fires, sure. But it does not have a good track record.
I don't think that fireworks can start a fire.
They just did. He had to put it out.
Nah.
Yet the whole his fucking part of the yard was burning.
Simple part. You are the fun slayer. Fun killer.
The yard was burning, Drugo.
Yeah, and if they had
Man.
fucking gone into the garage where the other fireworks were, buy Lambo.
Look, as long as he's using mortar fireworks, like the ones that look like little grenades.
Oh,
He
then
left,
so many,
he left that garage door. He leaves that garage door open, so if there's a misfire, they're gonna light all the other fucking fireworks on fire.
We see the explosion.
I said, your dumbass left that garage door open. You're lucky it didn't go in there and fight and light all the other fireworks on fire.
That would be content.
No, it would be fucking losing a Lambo.
Oh yeah. Insurance.
Gonna cover stupid? Does it cover stupidity? I don't know about that one.
If it's full coverage, then yeah, I think so.
Name one time you had to use your car insurance that wasn't
At least it's fun.
God, he's done.
Ja, Staffan.
Peter.
Peter, alles gut Peter?
Ja,
Alles
ja,
gut, ja.
tip-top.
Tip-top, ja.
We're getting
Let's go back
a
to the
lovely
sacrificial
tour of
side.
the village here from our new friends. It is really charming. Found out also that a lot of these old towns that were very remote, like Albina,